Hello together, my name is John Rambo, here with another mission, a technical mission to unbox a LED RAM DDR3 module. So, everyone is unboxing a new product, so I'm making here something different to unbox a used RAM module. Enjoy it. Okay, let's get started. So I bought this used in eBay, and I hope this will work without any problems. After the unboxing, I will integrate this module to my PC. You can see my PC computer. So let's finish the unboxing at first, and then I will show you in a follow-up video how to integrate it in the computer. So I need a cutter here. So this is better than original package, really good. Looks like a new product. Okay, I can see there's something. I hope this is that one what I ordered. Let's see. I don't want to damage anything here, Okay. So this is packaged very good. So I can show you the model here. It's a model from, one second, the model is here. So this speed is very good for a DDR3 RAM. 1866 megahertz, and the clock value is 9. So this should be functional. I hope it, because in the description I bought that used from eBay from a private seller, and he doesn't accept a return of the product. So when it's defect, I have bad cards to get my money back. So kiss it and hope it is functional. One kiss to that. And this is the same module. One kiss to that. Okay, this will bring luck to me, you know. Let's see. So here you can see the pulsed LED windows. I like this design, so it looks nice, and it was very cheap for me, €20 for both modules. And yeah, you can upgrade your PC and tune it with this lightning, you know, so it will give your PC better luck if this is functional. So the model name is Avexir, and I have seen the comments about this product, and the feedback was very good. That's why I decided to buy this module. Okay, so I will upgrade my notebook from 24 gigabytes DDR3 RAM to the equal value 24 DDR3 RAM, but I will substitute this lightning RAMs with the RAM which is not equipped with this lightning feature here, you know. So let's see if this will work on the computer. So in the product description, there was written that this LEDs here are pulsed, you know. So okay, let's try it. This was my unboxing mission, and oh, if you look at this here, it's like a Rambo knife, you know, here. I'm John Rambo, and the technical missions will be continue.